And as you see, the bottom of this is falling out. So I have some really good soil that I've built up over the years in here, and it would be a shame to put all these youngins. I use this for onions and carrots. So this year I'm going to build me 2 boxes, so that way I'll have one for the onion and one for the carrot. And it's a lot of work to go through for the bottom to fall out.
This here's our 2x6s. They're not treated, they're just regular 2x6s. We get them from our son. He has a trailer company down the road, and this is what they pack the trailers and the whole onto the semis. So we buy the wood off of him. We're on big use of it.
This gives you an idea of the inside of the box. So these are 2x6s. To move things along, we work together as a team. I usually do the measuring and stuff, and he cuts. Doing projects like this with Toby is a great learning experience for him. It's hands-on for him. So Greg pre-drills the holes, then I screw the screws in, and Toby, he makes sure he hands me the screws, and and he supervises. He lets us know what we're doing wrong and right. Here we are using a 2x8 strip of wood here, and we'll place it at the bottom near the floor of the bed, and we will do that on each of the long sides, so that way when we cut our strips of boards to go across to make a bottom, it will fit on that edge. Now Greg's going to screw in a board on each side, which would be the base of the garden bed, and then we will put an 8-foot board going across to those, so that way we can put the boards going across, and that would add extra support. Because this box is going to be extremely heavy, I wanted Greg on each corner to screw in 2 2x6 boards that were 3 foot long for that extra support. So my garden bed will be 3 foot tall. The garden box is 8 foot long, so now we're going to put legs in the center on each side, so it supports the center of the garden box. As Greg cuts each of the floor bottom boards, then I will pre-drill a hole and screw the boards in, and I leave about 1/4 of an inch gap in between each board, so that way the water can drain out. Now this is not treated lumber. I don't suggest using treated lumber. I never do use treated lumber because of the chemicals that's in it. I don't want it to seep out into my food. But my last garden held up for 7 years. My garden bed. Okay, the fun time part is transferring all the dirt from the old box to the new box. Now I can't wait to get the second box built. So one box will be for onions, and then the other box I'm having for carrots. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching, and take care.